Hello everyone, this is Lakshmi and welcome to the Zoom Zoom series. Today we are going to sing a song about monkeys and alligator. This song is regarding numbers. I am going to start the numbers from 3. You can start from 5 or 10, whatever it may be. Are you ready? 3 little monkeys swinging in the tree, teasing Mr. Alligator, can't catch me, can't catch me. Along came Alligator, quiet as can be, and slapped that monkey out of the tree. Now, 2 little monkeys swinging in the tree, teasing Mr. Alligator, can't catch me, can't catch me. Along came Alligator, quiet as can be, and slapped that monkey out of the tree. Now, 1 little monkey is swinging in the tree, teasing Mr. Alligator, can't catch me, can't catch me. Along came Alligator, quiet as can be, and slapped that monkey out of the tree. Now, 0. I hope you like this song. We are going to see you again with some other song. Until then, bye bye. This is Zoom Zoom series.